are saying is that we are not in fight with the head teachers, the county director, the sub-county director, or the CSOs. We are in fight with the commission. It should come with immediate effect and confirm all 46,000 intern teachers. What we are doing in those schools is that it is a very tiresome work, where you find that someone is teaching areas which he or she never trained. And we are using our own resources like bundles to consult Mr. Google Chrome and other browsers so that you may get the know-how of the subjects which you never trained.
Because we are trained, we are graduate, na gote intern akorago graduate. The moment you graduate, you cannot be an intern. So we are here to say we are trained teachers to heo musara wa mwarimu trained. We are all graduate to heo musara wa graduate. Musara so turahewa 17,000. Nembesa nginya itara sustain mondo with this economy. So we are calling upon the government, mathikiririe arutani a JSS. We are the pioneers of CBC. Neither to create the vision of CBC. Arimu inge haha to train to guthomithia subject igere kana what kiria tureta running area igere. Tani thomithitio guthomithia mathabu na business studies. But waingira junior secondary school ni undu wa kwaga arimu enough urekora ukithomithia nginya subject which ya iriota trainito.
Na kwa kaunti ya Kiambu aikari aria makigeragira micini mitiganite kana estate ni matigitwo magikara na haho thutha wa sewage kana njira ya mai guteaniria njira yao na kwambia kuingira micini yao kuringana na muikari umwe wa estate no mundu ugitwo Kamau augite ati ni maikirie thirikari ritana ria gutigirira ati